Alright guys, so in this particular video, you can see right over here on my today's revenue, this is $456.20. Let me come here and reload the page. Right here, you can see that the amount is still the same. If I come up here and I click on the refresh button, you can basically see that the amount is also the same. It is not just about the amount I am making, it is actually to ensure that your earning is consistent when you are making money with CPA network. If your earning is consistent, that makes you understand that you can actually be able to be making money with CPA network. If you come down right over here, you can see that other people are also making money using specific organic traffic that is 100% working for them. And in this case, they can also go ahead and continue to use this same strategy in order for them to keep on making money with CPA network. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to build and generate organic traffic to your CPA offer legitimately. And if you are interested in this video, make sure you stay with me to the end of the video and do not skip any part. First of all, if you want to join my one-on-one mentorship training course on CPA marketing, where I will hold you by hands and walk you through the entire process on how to make money with CPA network, all you need to do is to send me a DM, okay? Connecting with me on WhatsApp, immediately I'm going to go ahead and respond to you if you are joining the one-on-one mentorship training course, okay? Now, without wasting much of your time, guys, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you basically need to do is actually understanding the environment of the CPA network you want to work with. Now, in the CPAgrip right over here, understanding the environment is basically understanding how to pick offer, where to get those offers, and so on. And the kind of offers you are going to be getting and the kind of offers you also need to create by yourself in order to promote that and make money from CPA network. If you come right over here, we have monetization tools, we have offer tools, we have postback tools. But basically, the one that concerns us in this video is monetization tools and offer tools. So in the case of offer tools, monetization tools, basically, you need to monetize your own digital item. Definitely, you must be able to create items that people would want to consume, like content that people want to consume, and your idea must be able to solve a problem as in regard to that particular situation. But if you have this idea and they are not digitalized, you cannot actually monetize them because it cannot actually get to the right audience or even get straight to the audience hand in hand. But if you are able to digitalize them by creating content around that, solving people's problem, identifying what people need and the ability to solve those problems, you can easily come right over here and monetize them in order for you to go ahead and make money with CPA marketing. Then if you come right over to the offer tools, there are already made landing pages that contain marketing packages from each advertisers that are advertising their companies from different countries, like United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and so on. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on the offer tools and you pick offers that you want. There are still many other options out there, like the recently added offers and the top performing offers, which I won't go into that for now. But basically, you can get your offers from the list of offers, basically as many as you want from offer tools and monetization tools as well. Just by creating content locker, you are good to go. The next thing you need after you have created your landing page, your offer, you have selected all the offers that you are going to be promoting, you need a landing page to house them, to host them, to actually be able to place them individually on different captions. And when these offers are placed in individual captions, then this is where you basically need to go ahead and promote the landing page link so that people can actually click on the landing page and they will be redirected into the landing page interface where they can now see your marketing paradigm. Okay, this your marketing paradigm is what is actually going to determine whether these people can actually click and take action to perform the task and you make money. When this paradigm of this strategic method is not able to hook the audience, they might not even click a single link on your landing page and they walk away. So, but first of all, you place the link in the landing page. Okay, after placing that, you come over here, you click on the publish button, and then after clicking on the publish button, you get a unique landing page URL. Once you get this unique landing page URL, the next thing you need is a traffic source, which is what I'm going to be revealing to you guys. Now, this is toptar.com. In the toptar.com, all you need to do is to basically go ahead and start creating content yourself. Okay, let me come over here where you can go ahead and click on create content. Okay, so right over here, when you want to create content on toptar.com, you have to consider the hook section, the value section, and basically the link and the call to action section. The first thing is the hook action, where you need to grab the attention of the viewer or the audience. Now, when you are able to grab the attention, then immediately, you don't need to waste time anyway, but you have to immediately ensure that you are able to let them see the value of what they could benefit, their own benefit, if they should be able to take action on the link you are actually giving to them. And once they are able to satisfy with the value and they are really interested in this, so wow, that means they can click on the link that you are sharing with them. And once they click on the link, boom, guys, the next thing you're going to see is that they are going to go ahead and perform, take action, complete the task, and then once they perform this process, then you are going to get a commission paid. But definitely, you know that you are going to make sure that you avoid letting people from invalid country, like people who are not in that country that are associated to the offer, to actually take action on your link, because that is going to be building invalid engagement or clicks on your CPA account, and that is not good for your account. So basically, once you are able to build up that, then you are able to make people to click and take action. You are good to go and start making money with CPA marketing. All right, guys, so if you gain value from this video, you enjoy this video, do well to go ahead and smash on the like button, very important. And also make sure you smash the subscribe button so you can able to get notified. Once you smash on the like button, the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so that you definitely get notified once a new video just like this one that you've just watched drops on this channel. This is Macro Hustle TV. And do not forget, if you want to join our one-on-one mentorship training course on CPA marketing, where I will basically hold you by hand and walk you through the entire process of making money with CPA marketing. I'm going to be holding you by hand until you start making money before I will let you go. Go ahead and connect with me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number will be in the video description, and you're going to be able to gain access to the direct traffic building system. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.